Hey, let me show you all touch sensors gestures that you can use on the Sony ULT Wear headphones. So the sensor is actually located on the right headphone, and we can actually perform few actions. The first one is actually the double tap. Of course, it's only working when you wear your headphones. And with the double tap, we can play and pause media, or receive a call, or finish a call. So all you have to do is just double tap like this. There's the second one. We can swipe forward and release to turn on the next song, like this. The next one is for the previous song, so we have to swipe backward and release. And we can also control the volume level by swiping up and down, like this, to increase or decrease the volume level. And we can also find the tap and the continue pressing, so we can launch the voice assistant, cancel the voice assistant function, or for example reject the call. So as you can see from this, we can find gestures about the media playback, calls, and the voice assistant. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.